Hi, good morning, yeah. Today we are going to make salad. Come on. Today we are going to make the salad with the fruit. Apple fruit, that one only. Because everybody is telling you have to eat the raw vegetables and fruits. But we are not eating. Very good for your gut and digestion also. Now come on, yeah. No late. We are making salad nicely and eating. Come, come. Carrot is grated, then onion also. Now I'm going to cut the cabbage very slowly and big slice like this only. Yeah. Because I don't know, yeah, big knife, I never use the big knife, so that's the problem actually. See how much you wanted. See, very nice, no, like noodles type only this one. And apple also, but my apple is not that good. Yeah, this is soggy. Actually, when you are buying, you have to be very careful. You see, my apple is not that good. It's cutting. It's a very soggy. This one. This is also you have to properly, like this. I did it. Then small, like this only you have to see. Careful your hands. Yeah, this very sharp. My see, like this only you have to cut the apple. Okay, see this one. I told mine is very soggy, so you have to see that one. Next is the tomato. Now you have to, that is only very important, you have to take the seeds. Actually I like the seeds only, but we have to remove the seeds properly. Yeah, like this. And that's it. Yeah, this one also you have to cut the small, like how I cut the apple. This is also mine. Totally little bit soggy. I don't know how come the water is leaving because of summer also. Uh, yeah. Okay. Now we have to make. See, yeah. Now we have to make the sauce. This is a garlic. Just I'm using only 2 garlic and ginger. And next is I love to use the chili flakes. So I'm putting little chili flakes. After that we can add it. And now I'm using the jaggery. Yeah, jaggery, sugar, honey, anything you can. This is a 3.5 teaspoons. Now this is the soya sauce I'm using. So this color will come very nicely. 2, 3, 3.5. Now I'm using the olive oil. Yes. Now this is the olive oil. 1 teaspoon. 1.5 also it's nice only. This is, we are not boiling, I mean not doing anything, no. So it's fine. Now you have to grind properly this one. Yeah. Come on. Yes, ready. Now let's see. Yes. Very tight. See this one. Yeah, now I'm going to add the lemon. Already I'm adding the vinegar and all, no, because of that only I didn't even add the lemon. Now I'm going to add the lemon. So this is, just half only I squeezed it. If you want to more, you can do it. We'll take one more round. Very tight, yeah, this one is. It's not even moving. Okay, now see. The my sauce is ready. Now we'll mix it well. That's it, yeah. Very easy one. Okay, because we are eating fruit, we are eating all the vegetables, and very good for our gut also. So now we'll mix it and taste. That's it. See, yeah, this is a carrot. I told you already. This is the onions. Just we have to do like this, and yeah. Now I'm adding the cabbage. And we have to do very immediately. That is only one tip. Otherwise the apple will become black, not black, brownish color, because that is iron, no. So again, tomato. Yes. Yeah, nicely do it like this. This is only best, yeah. Okay, now mix it well. The colorful actually, nice taste. Okay, now we're adding the sauce. I'm adding full. Yes, the aroma is very nice. Now I'm little bit I'm I love to have this one, so I always mix with this thing nicely. You have to mix it properly. The sauce has to be like, I like only in this salad, you're not necessary tossing anything, all raw vegetables. It's very nice. Sometimes you like to eat this one, you want to add the chili flakes, and next I like to have this also, green chilies, like, don't wastage, yeah. Everything I'll put it properly. Whatever you people are thinking, I don't know, but I love to do like that only. See now. This is nearly 3 people, yeah. This I made the 3 people salad, this one. So, yeah. Now small topping is there. Just I finish that one. See, yeah. This you have to roast the sesame seeds, black and white. Whatever, if you don't like the black also, you can use only this thing. That's it, okay. Now pat pat chat pat is already I roasted and kept it the peanuts, okay. I like that crunchy, very nice. Then again I'll put it this one also. I'm not adding much. See now, this is ready. This salad like this. Then you can add all these things, ingredients like this. And that's it, yeah. Now you can mix it properly like this. Now you can serve. Okay, sometimes you don't want to eat any vegetables and all, then you can make this salad and eat. Now time for taste. We'll taste how is this one. Okay. Really very nice and healthy one. You people can try and let me know. Enjoy this moment also. That's it.